In this video, I cover the best kitchen helper stool or learning tower that is affordable, safe and attractive. Then I share my review and the assembly instruction. Toddlers just want to be involved in whatever you're doing. Apparently, there's a lot of fun happening up there that they just hate missing out on. A kitchen helper stool, also called a learning tower, is a great way to get your little one involved in cooking, cleaning, and other practical life activities at home. So, what is a learning tower? Essentially, a kitchen learning tower is a child-safe stool that allows children to reach the kitchen counters and other hard-to-reach areas. Because kitchen helper stools promote accessibility, independence, and freedom of movement, they are also a popular choice among Montessori families. So, what is the best age for a learning tower? Most children are ready for a learning tower around 18 months. Please note that your toddler should be a confident walker and relatively steady on their feet before they start using a learning tower at home. So, what is the best step stool for toddlers? I was looking for an affordable, safe, and attractive kitchen helper stool. I did a lot of research and I picked Sdadi Kids Kitchen Step Stool. In this video, I share my Sdadi Kitchen Helper Stool review as well as the step stool assembly instruction. We are very happy with the purchase. It took Arvin, my son, a few tries to get used to it, but now he really likes it. Sdadi Kids Kitchen Step Stool is sturdy and easy to move from one spot to another. The weight is 15 pounds or 7 kilograms. You can use it from 18 months to 3 years. One key advantage of this kitchen helper stool is its compact size and lightweight. Having said that, this can fit only one kid at a time. I would use other options if you're planning to have more than one kid on this simultaneously. This helper stool has been really a lifesaver in keeping my toddler occupied and contained, especially when I'm dealing with a hot oven or stuff like that. Now let's cover Sdadi step stool assembly instruction. These are the parts in the box. Make sure to not over tighten the screws. Grab these parts for this step. Grab a screw with the washer and tighten it like this. I'm using my tool, but there's a goofy Allen wrench in the box that is good enough to do the job. I strongly discourage you to use a power screwdriver as you can over tighten the screws. Grab the other side and fit it like this. Fasten the screws. In this step, we connect this part with 4 screws like this. We connect the side legs. By design, the legs should be a little tilted like this. Connect this part like this. Connect this part like this. Make sure this goes to the right spot. I attached this to the adjacent spot and I had to dismantle and redo a few steps, so don't do my mistake. Attach the other leg like this. This part goes here. You have optional anti-slip stickers. I use the smaller ones for the legs. By the way, if you like the video, please like the video. It's very helpful with the YouTube algorithm. For more baby related videos like these, please consider subscribing. Thanks a lot for watching and see you next time.